We're here with BG, Senior Director of Product Management for ServiceNow at Microsoft Ignite 2016. BG, can you tell us a little bit about ServiceNow?
Great. Thank you, David, for having me here. ServiceNow has been a highly successful company in ITSM, help desk, service desk, and it is now expanding to cover the full IT life cycle of managing IT service within the company, not just on the service side, but also on the business and IT operations management.
How does ServiceNow work with Azure?
It's a great question, David. So ServiceNow provides our intent is to provide an easy button for customers to consume Azure. So ServiceNow has become the de facto or the single pane of glass for IT to interact with all its users. In the past, it used to deliver things like cell phones, laptops, but now the intent is to deliver all kinds of IT services, be it infrastructure services, platform services, or end-to-end application services from Azure. So we provide the easy button to consume those services in the context of what enterprises require, with all enterprise security, governance, compliance needs.
What are the products in the ServiceNow portfolio that integrate with Azure?
Great. So ServiceNow has on the operations side, IT operations management product suite. As part of it, we talk about visibility, availability, agility. And ITOM product the product name product suite is called ServiceWatch Suite. So as part of ServiceWatch Suite, it integrates with the Microsoft products with Azure to deliver the full IT lifecycle management of IT services deployed on Azure.
What are the key benefits provided to Azure customers?
Absolutely, very good question. Today, it's very easy to create an instance on Azure or to consume a service on Azure, but that's not what enterprises want. Enterprises want those services to be deployed per the security, governance, compliance policies of that organization. That requires a lot of additional stuff that needs to happen. We automate that entire process. So we automate the process of consuming these IT services so that when you consume stuff on Azure, it's configured, it is provisioned for the policies of your organization. Once it's provisioned, you can look at the health of that. So we integrate with a variety of monitoring tools to give you the health of the service that's deployed on Azure. If you want to take any remediation action from our tool, you can take remediation action to maintain the health, the availability of that service. Any of the changes you want to make to the service, you could do those changes through ServiceNow tool.
What are the key reasons why organizations choose ServiceNow for cloud management?
The key reasons being automation, speed, compliance, security, cost management. So we make that the entire IT life cycle, the IT for an IT service, we enable that through our platform.
Okay. What are some of the most common use cases for ServiceNow cloud management?
Great. So as I said, we enable the entire life cycle of IT service management, starting off with a service catalog that would provision the services on the Azure. Next is managing the life cycle, making any changes to that service. If you are deploying things in production, you want to make sure you maintain the health, so provide you with the health of that service. If you need to make any changes, specifically changes to the production environment, you may want to take it through the change management process. Our CMDB is the single point of record to manage all the information of your IT assets and do your asset management, compliance, governance.
Can you tell me about any new features or product updates that you may be having come out soon?
Great. ServiceNow acquired this company called ITAP 4 months ago. ITAP was the next generation disruptive cloud management vendor. It had won numerous awards like Gartner Cool Vendor for Cloud Management, Top 20 DevOps Fair, and it had created next generation cloud management, which really transformed how you create and launch a new IT service. We are in the process of integrating the IP from ITAP into ServiceNow platform, and in our next release, which is in mid next year, is when the IP would be integrated in the ServiceNow platform. And once that's integrated, we believe we'll have the most highly differentiated cloud management platform in the market. So we will be that single tool that not only does the IT service management, but IT operations management with the next generation cloud management capabilities right out of our platform. Right, so any service that's created, you have a drag and drop UI to create your service. It automatically generates the various workflows. You apply all the governance policies, and the ServiceNow service catalog is automatically created from that blueprint. Once you do operations from that catalog, our CMDB is automatically populated with all the data. So the kind of things that you deliver from that platform would be the things that nobody else in the market can match.
Oh, okay. Well, we'll keep an eye out for new innovations from ServiceNow. BG, thank you very much.
Thank you, David, for your time today.
All right.